Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Well, today we are going to be doing something that I have been wanting to do for a long time, and it's to test our soil. I got this cool little gadget at Home Depot. It was $18 and some change. So let's just say $19, okay? And it requires just a AA battery, okay? It's an electronic soil tester. And it gives you this little list right here of, excuse me, bug on my hand. It gives you this list of all of the flowers, trees, and shrubs, the vegetables and herbs, the fruit, the house and greenhouse plants, and turf and ornamental grasses, and what their pH balance should be around for them to flourish. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, first I'd like to test the soil that I have that I keep in my bins. Okay, I'm just going to put this down on here so it doesn't fly away. Now, right here in this bin right here, I have the raised bed garden soil. Okay, so let's just take the lid off so you can see where it's at right now. Okay, now it says that it will give a reading in like a minute. So let's see if it does anything. I put a brand new battery in it. It's not moving, but then again, it's only been in there for a few seconds. I don't know. Hang on. Okay. I put it on for fertilizer, and it says too little. So for fertilizer, okay, well this is just, for raised bed garden soil. That's all this is for. So if we put it to pH, it just stays at 7. So I'm guessing that that's okay. It really doesn't move. Now I'm going to switch it to off. Okay. Now let's go over to where I do keep my fertilizer. This is my compost and the black cow manure that I use. Okay, so let's see what it says for pH. It's not moving at all. Go down to fertilizer. It's saying too little. Huh. Now this is strange. This is supposed to be the best stuff on the market. Huh. Okay. Now everybody knows, living in Florida, especially in Tampa, our soil is sand. Now, sorry if I'm shaky, the fertilizer, it's saying too little, of course. So let's go to off. Now let's go to pH. It's not moving. But it's not moving for any of them. Now for raspberries, it says 5.0 to 7.5 for pH range. I've got raspberries over there. Let's go see what it says. It's at a 7. For my raspberries. Okay. Well, so as you can tell, this thing pretty much does work. I guess. Every gardener will tell you, every vegetable gardener will tell you, that you should have your pH balance checked in your garden. So, would I suggest you go get this? Absolutely. This is so you know what your base soil is that you already have around your home, and what you would need to purchase at Home Depot or Lowe's or Rural King or whatever. So when you are starting your vegetable garden, even if you are container gardening, doing raised beds, so you know, if you need to buy cow manure, what kind of compost, what kind of raised bed soil you need to buy, or even if you are starting a garden, what kind of in-ground soil you should buy in order for your garden to flourish. That is all for this video. Have a great day. I love you. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Bye.